My comment, sir. My comment, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. May I have a seat, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
What's your name?
Ma'am, my name is Pritipal Singh.
What's the meaning of your name?
Ma'am, meaning of the Pritipal Singh, protected man.
Why you want to join Merchant Navy?
Ma'am, I want to join merchant navy because I want to be, I want to, I want to self-dependent and financially independent as soon as possible. I want to professionally growth in this profession, so I want to join merchant navy.
Okay. So in 20 seconds, introduce yourself in such a manner both of us impressed by your introduction. Introduce.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Pritipal Singh and I am 20 years old and I am from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, and I am a sport person in kabaddi in junior level in my school.
Okay.
And I have a certificate in welder trade and ITI.
ITI. So you actually completed your ITI.
Yes.
So why you want to join TS Rahman?
Because ma'am, TS Rahman is a best college of a GP rating, and GP rating is a 6-month duration course, and and TS Rahman is a best college of the GP rating and best placement. And
So who told you about GP rating, beta?
ma'am first told me about the GP rating in my teacher in my class 10th and my father. So after I searched the what is GP rating or what is merchant navy in the Google. So after I completed,
So what you find the basic difference between Merchant Navy and Indian Navy?
ma'am, merchant navy is a commercial ship industry and Indian navy is defense of sector.
So what do you think? What's your X factor? So we should hire you?
Ma'am, because I am physically fit and mentally prepared to this profession, and I am physically fit because I am belong to farming background, and I helped my father work in 6 to 7 hours.
Aware about the time zone, how much hours you have to work when you will be on ship?
Ma'am, please simplify this question.
How many hours you have to work when you will be on ship?
Ma'am, 7 to 8 hours.
Have you ever worked in your past 7 to 8 hours?
Yes, ma'am. Because I am helped my father prepare 6 to 7 hours, not 7 to 8 hours. 6 to 7 hours and 7 to 8 hours is equal.
Okay. So which side you want to join?
Ma'am, I prefer to both side and I am basic knowledge about the both side, deck side and engine side, but I want to join the engine side.
Okay. What is engine room?
Ma'am, engine room is a space where of machinery.
Difference between 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine?
Ma'am, two-stroke engine is a main engine and four-stroke engine is auxiliary engine.
What is Ohm's law?
Ma'am, repeat.
Ohm's law?
The Ohm's law said that voltage is directly proportional to the current in a circuit.
Unit of voltage?
Ampere, ma'am.
Unit of electric current?
Electric current, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, Pratipal, how many major and minor ports are there in India?
Sir, minor port is 243 and major port is 13.
Which is the largest port in India?
Just Mumbai port, sir.
Are you sure it's Mumbai port?
Yes, Mumbai port is the longest container port and area wise is a Chennai port, sir.
Chennai port. Okay, and largest port in the world?
Sir, port of Shanghai and it is located in China.
Smallest port in India?
The smallest port.
Okay, how many continents are there?
Sir, continents are sir 7.
7. Smallest continent?
Sir, Asia.
Smallest continent, Asia. Are you sure?
No, sir.
Smallest continent. Okay, tell me the difference between strait and canal.
So canal is a man-made of the nature of body and it is connected to the largest body of the water, and strait is a naturally of the body and it is connected to the largest body of the water.
Okay, how many oceans are there?
Sir, 5.
Largest ocean?
Sorry, Pacific Ocean, sir.
Name some different parts of ship.
Sir, there are many types of part of ships like sir, keel, gangway and bridge and propeller and anchor.
Explain the difference between rudder and radar.
So rudder is a navigation equipment located on the deck of the bridge, and it is detect the other vessels and objects. And rudder is a change the direction of the ship, and it is connected to the starting gear of the ship, and it is located in the stern.
What is Pythagoras theorem?
So Pythagoras theorem used in right angle. Pythagoras theorem is a formula of hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular in plus base square.
Okay. And what is the area of an equilateral triangle? What is an AP?
So AP is a list of number in which term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding except the first term.
What is A plus B whole cube?
AQ plus BQ plus 3AB bracket in A plus B.
What do you understand by the standard form of quadratic equation?
Sir, a standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0.
Good. And area of circle?
Also,
Circumference of circle?
sir, circumference of circle, sir, 2 pi r square.
Are you sure? It's 2 pi r square. Okay. Explain Archimedes principle.
It states that the upward buoyant force exerted by a weight of object submerged object is equal to the weight it displaces.
Difference between scalar quantity and vector quantities?
Sorry.
Okay, that's it. ठीक है प्रतिपाल मतलब थोड़ा अच्छा किया है बट थोड़ा बेकार भी किया है जैसे स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट नहीं बता पाए आप क्या होता है स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं होता
Yes, sir.
ठीक है एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल एरिया ऑफ सर्कल स्केलर वेक्टर के बीच का डिफरेंस मतलब ओवरऑल इट वाज गुड बट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर बेसिक नॉलेज समझ में आ रही है बात बेसिक नॉलेज पे काम करना जरूरी है क्योंकि बाकी चीज़ें तो चलो चलेंगी ही कम्युनिकेशन पार्ट भी देखा जाएगा बट नॉलेज वाला पार्ट भी तो होना चाहिए ना और ये बिल्कुल बेसिक क्वेश्चंस है तो इन पे थोड़ा फोकस करो ठीक है
Sir.
प्रतिपाल सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है आप ITI के बच्चे हो
Yes, ma'am.
क्लियर विद दिस अब चाहे कोई सा भी आपका ट्रेड हो बट आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल नॉलेज मतलब फिजिक्स तो स्ट्रॉन्ग करनी ही है
Yes.
यस अगर आप वोल्टेज के यूनिट बेटा एम्पियर बता रहे हो
वोल्टेज की मैम वोल्ट.
आप
लेकिन
तो
आपने बताई वो ना
Sorry.
देखो एक ही मौका मिलता है
ma'am.
फिर आपने बाद में अपना आई कांटेक्ट पर काम किया पहले आपका आई कांटेक्ट केवल मेरे साथ था फिर आपका आई कांटेक्ट केवल सर के साथ था बाद में लास्ट फ्यू मिनट्स यू जस्ट हैव आई कांटेक्ट विद बोथ ऑफ अस आप स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट नहीं बता पा रहे स्ट्रेट एंड कैनाल का इट्स नॉट परफेक्ट आंसर बहुत ही मिक्सी वाला आपने आंसर एक दिया हुआ था वो नहीं समझ में आया था यस इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट ये तो बेसिक है बेटा कम्युनिकेशन में आपने जरूर अपना काम किया है कम्युनिकेशन इट्स नाइस आपको समझ में आ रहा है और सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे आपकी लगी कि आपको जो क्वेश्चन थोड़ा ट्रिकी लगा आपने क्या बोला प्लीज इलेबोरेट इट एंड सिंप्लीफाई इट सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बहुत अच्छा लगा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल सही है तुम्हारा और काम किया जा सकता है पर जब आपके पास नॉलेज है आपने पढ़ाई करी है तो नर्वस के चलते हुए अपनी बॉडी प्रेजेंटेबिलिटी को अच्छा रखना है क्लियर और बेस्ट विशेस बिल्कुल सिलेक्शन होना ही चाहिए क्लियर ओके बेटा गॉड ब्लेस यू